Alright, so my friends who do not have construction paper and all you have is like regular paper and some colors, I want to show you guys how you can make a sarape as well. So we talked about patterns and how patterns repeat. Shapes repeat or lines repeat. So I've got myself a pencil, a ruler, paper, and these different kind of color pencils. These are double-ended pencils. I've had them around my house for a while. I just wanted lots of color choices. So the sarape, I'm not going to add string to this one because it's just loose paper. I'm actually going to show you guys a way to make paper look like it's frayed here on the edges. So I'm going to draw myself a little line across here and across here. And that is going to be where I don't draw anything. There we go. Tried making lines darker so you guys could see it better. Alright, so my first section, I just want to have some lines where I will be coloring different colors. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to make a bigger space. And this time I want to add some zigzags. And on top of this, I want to add little hearts, just so I know I'm getting a big variety of colors and patterns. There we go. I felt like I was missing a little something up there. So now I am ready to give this guy some color. I think we should do a little fast forwarding. Now, real sarapes are made by weaving different fabrics. The colors are limited because they use hand dyes, so things that they can find to dye the fabric. So I am going to try to limit my colors to the secondary and primary colors. So lots of purples, blues, greens, yellows, oranges, and reds. Maybe a little bit of black. That's it. Alright, I'm all done coloring my pattern sarape. Now I'm going to take a pair of scissors. Now I want to give it fringe. The way I give it fringe is just by cutting all the way up until where I have colored pencil and doing it really, really close together. The closer you do it, the more fringy it looks. There we go. Now all of my fringe is complete. So the fringe on a real carpet would be the extra tassels hanging out from the weaving, and all of these shapes and colors would be the weft. Alright guys, I hope you have fun making your zarapes. I know that I have. Please choose whichever one is best for you. Alright guys, happy creating!